I get 6-7 requests asking for different types of one pot meals, and I'm going to show you how to do a chicken and vegetable pasta salad. For this recipe I'm using 375 grams pasta boiled and want to leave it to cool down, and 250 grams diced chicken, a teaspoon of stock powder with half a teaspoon of garlic, pepper and salt to your taste, enough olives, 1 avocado, 1 capsicum, 1 tomato and some fresh parsley, and a can of beans. You can use any beans or omit this. So let's start doing it. The seasoning I'll show you later. Add some oil into a pan and add the chicken into it. Into that add the salt, pepper, stock powder and the garlic powder. Cook the chicken on a low heat until it is tender and well cooked. While cooking the chicken, let's do the salad. For that, I'm going to crumb the feta and leave it on one side. And when you do the salad, make sure that you add less salt, as feta has lots of salt in it. Now the beans. Chop the parsley. Add the parsley, tomato, pasta. Cut the avocado into cubes too. Capsicum. And the olives. Now it's the time to do the salad dressing. For the dressing I am using salt, pepper and a pinch of garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic instead. 2 tablespoons olive oil, extra virgin, 1 lemon and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. You can use a shaker or 1 empty bottle or a box like this for the dressing. Add the oil into it. Salt, pepper and the garlic. Don't add a lot of salt as the feta has a lot of salt in it, so as the olives. After, squeeze the lemon to it, always lemon to your taste. So after, add about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I like to use a bit of honey in it, so it gives a nice glaze to the salad, so as the taste. Cover and shake. When you serve a salad, make sure that you leave the dressing without mixing it. So the salad looks so beautiful. I'm going to add the dressing into a cup and leave it in the middle of the salad. Once you are ready to serve for your family or friends or relatives, they can mix the salad according to their taste, or you can do that beforehand. And this is a really nice simple salad that you can enjoy in summer. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.